I am the presenter of Group 9 Research. Our topic is the experience of students in balancing household responsibilities and school requirement. I am Cal Cedric Leosala. Members Balesta Aljurdi, Mandipal Prince Jared C., Repoberbio Carl David, Sedutan Jonel Zapanta Dan Alison. Background of the research. Nowadays, a lot of students struggle to balance their household responsibilities and academic obligations simultaneously. The purpose of our research to understand how to manage their time between doing household chores and completing school tasks. The significance of our research. It highlights the real struggle of students balancing both household responsibilities and schoolwork. By analyzing students' coping mechanism, the study emphasized the importance of effective time management and prioritize skills for academic success. Theoretical framework. This study is guided by role conflict theory which explain individuals' struggle to fulfill multiple roles at once in the case of being students and a family member. Conceptual framework. This study focuses on relationship between household responsibilities, independent variables, and academic performance well-being, dependent variable of students. Conceptual. Independent variable. Household responsibility scores caring for siblings, family obligation. Dependent variable. Academic performance and students' well-being is ability to complete a schoolwork deadline, maintain motivation, and handle class. Concept. When students have heavy household tasks, their academic performance may decline due to reduced study time or stress. However, with effective time management and supportive family environment, students can successfully balance responsibilities. Theoretical, Brown strain. This trio individuals explain strain when they try to meet multiple roles expectations that may conflict with one another being student and the family helper. Time management, Theory Macan 1994. Management of time priorities helps individuals cope with completing demands and reduce stress. Data will be collected by the way of conducting surveys interviews with select participants who are managing household responsibilities and school expectations. The sampling will be purposive in the we will select students who have first-hand knowledge of the phenomenon. This means we will be able to gather accurate, meaningful data that representative of students' activities in a real-life context managing their questions. What difficulties do pupils most experience while trying to balance with home duties? Number 2. In what ways do students' academic achievements get influenced when they manage home duties? Number 3. What approach can be taken to better assist in managing both home and school responsibilities? Thank you for listening.